Hello guys, and welcome to another video of TradingMind. And like again, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and don't forget to like this video, and please place a comment in the comment section, and I will be happy to see some reaction over this video. So today we are in real market instead of the OTC, and we will make some automatic tradings using our robot. So let's launch our tool. So we launched our tool and let's log in. So for the trade value, we're gonna insert the amount. Like always, we go for 5. We have $114. So I go for 24.85. For the stop win, I'm gonna use 13, and we are in practice. We go for practice account. We are in progress in this account. So we're gonna go for authentication. Log it in, and the balance is 114 like it showed. So I want to remind you all that this robot is only working for IQ options, so it's like getting the IQ option candles and making the full analysis on this candles. So it's not linked in any other platform like MT4 or anything else. So it's fully from IQ option candles and servers. So we have launched our robot MindBot, and I'm gonna for calendar to check our news. So we are in 2 p.m. So we have 2 medium news coming on. So as I can see, there is a GPP GPY trade that is used. So as you can see, guys, it's $5 deduced from the account, and as you can see, guys, here the trade has been gone, and it's a put, as the robot says, put using MindBot 1, using the first strategy. So the trade was placed at 2 p.m. 10 and 58 seconds. So as you can guys see, it's here, it's going on the put, and let's wait the results. So if you want to join our group, so you can join our free Telegram group, leave the link in the description. $30 left for our trade, so it's going in the right way. So we have here 90% of payout, so it's very good. We hope we can grow this account to 1,000 and more. So don't forget to use money management into your trading. So as you can see, it's a winning trade. And in the robot side, we have trades 1, the win trades 1, and the winning ratio 100. The profit is 4.5. So in the trading history, so we have the entry point, the expiration time, this is like now, and the trade amount was $5. The pair was GPP GPY, as you can guys see here, and the signal was put with MindBot strategy 1, and the result was a win. So let's back here. and the balance is $119. So let's wait the second entry. So waiting for the second entry. So we are back. So we have GPP GPY again. Our analysis of the bot is call with the strategy number 1. The type of operation is binary, so we're gonna have another entry here with a call. So we are waiting until 32 to appear here, so it can get the entry before 2 seconds to avoid lags of the server of IQ option and other things. So our trade is placed here. So we're gonna watch what will happen on this trade. We hope a winning trade as we used to have. So it's going on the right side. Let's hope the best and wait this trade to finish. So 7 seconds left for our trade. So it's going very deep, and as we can see, it's trade as we used to. It's $4.50. So as you can see, we have $9 profit and 100% profit, 100% winning ratio. So as you can see, it's GPP GPY again, a winning trade. So let's wait the next trade. So as you can see, guys, again and fast, we got a CHF GPY in the put side and operation binary. So if this trade is going to be an ITM, so the trading bot, this one will be closed automatically because we will hit the stop win, and let's hope the best. So waiting the entry, so it will be in 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and go. So our trade is being placed for the put. So highly potential this trade will be going in the right side, I hope. And let's wait. As you guys can see, our trade is going in the great side. So we have 10 seconds left, or sorry, it's 10 plus 30, it's 40 seconds. It's almost 1 minute. So our trade is going very good. And let's wait until it finishes. So 5 seconds, you're gonna see it will hit and it will close like right now. It's like this and it's closed automatically. So our take profit level is being hit, and our session is done. So thank you guys for watching, and see you next trades and next session and next videos. So bye bye.